Look at the detail on this cartouche. It confirms the dynasty.
Incredible, and the granite is perfectly preserved here.
The caliper reading here is 4.2 centimeters.
That matches the laser scan deviation report.
Look at the detail on this side.
It's incredible how well preserved it is. We should start clearing the eastern face.
All right, bring it down 1 millimeter. Settling now, looks good.
The sunrise looks beautiful against the granite this morning.
It certainly does. We are making good progress on the lower section. Look at the depth of this carving here. The scribe must have been meticulous.
Yes, the text mentions Thutmose of the Third.
The next segment should align here. We need the crane operator ready.
I've marked the insertion depth. Let's review the laser scan data first.
Look at the detail on this cartouche. It's perfectly preserved.
Incredible craftsmanship, even after all this time.
This section here, the fill compound seems slightly raised.
Let me check the
let's see.
thermal scan. No, it's flush. The restoration is complete.
absolutely magnificent. The polish brings out the true color of the granite.
3 years of work, and it's finally ready for display.
All strops secured. Stability confirmed. We are clear for transport.
Using precise bursts of air, the team meticulously removes centuries of dust from the ancient stone.
Okay, operator, very slow lift. Just clear the cradle.
Roger that. Gauges are steady.
We have liftoff. Looking good.
Hold position.
Ready for the next signal.
Ease forward, very slowly.
We're showing a deviation of 0.02 degrees on the y-axis.
Roger that. Initiating micro adjustment now.
The laser scan confirms the vertical alignment is perfect. No deviation at 30 meters.
The subsurface radar matches. It's solid down to the bedrock.
Careful with that section. Move it slowly to the right.
Copy that. The base is almost entirely clear now.
All right, everyone. Final sweep before the opening.
This is incredible. 32 centuries old, imagine that.
Look, they are starting the lights.
Fully unveiled at last. The 3,200-year-old Obelisk once more.